Hi, puppy. Come here. Zoe. Zoe.
I'm gonna feel real stupid from first to very top. Oh, I'm not even on it!
Ooh.
And Paige thrashes first?
Ooh.
And I get accused of cheating.
Zoe.
I don't care if you just changed it because you thought I was cheating. That's so fucking stupid. I'm last? No. I don't fucking think so. I was 5th on his, he was 2nd on mine. What the fuck ever. I'm always accused of everything.
Come here.
Just like I told you, I don't want to talk about it.
Come here, Zoe. Come here, Zoe. What are you doing? Aww.
Yes, just shut up. I don't want to talk to you. God, I'm not in the mood.
Come here. Come here, Zoe. You're so cute.